Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a large drain pan. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, locate the radiator drain plug, typically at the bottom of the radiator, and carefully drain all the engine coolant into your prepared pan. This crucial step prevents spills and ensures a cleaner workspace. Now, let's gain access to the water pump itself. You will need to relieve the tension on the serpentine belt using a tensioner tool, then carefully remove the belt from all the pulleys. Depending on your vehicle's configuration, you might need to remove a few other components, such as an alternator or power steering pump, to clear a path. Be sure to label any disconnected hoses or electrical connectors for easier reassembly later. With clear access, you can now proceed to remove the old water pump. Use the appropriate socket or wrench to unbolt the pump from the engine block. Be prepared for any residual coolant to spill. Once removed, meticulously clean the engine's mounting surface, ensuring no old gasket material remains. This step is critical for a leak-free seal. Finally, install your new water pump using a new gasket and applying the correct torque to the bolts. The final stage involves reassembling everything and testing your work. Reinstall all the components you removed earlier, ensuring all hoses and electrical connectors are securely attached. Next, refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and distilled water. Start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, and carefully check for any leaks around the new water pump. Bleed any trapped air from the system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.